Okay guys, hari ni kita nak berbual-bual sikit dengan Hi Proton. Jom. Hi Proton, who are you?
Hey, I'm Proton.
Hi Proton of AC.
Hey. Okay, the AC is turned off for you.
Hi Proton on AC.
I'm listening. Okay, the AC is turned on for you.
Hi Proton USB.
I'm here. Okay, play USB music.
Hi Proton, weather
Hi
today.
there. It should be thunder shower for the daytime and partly cloudy in the night today in Sarandon. Temperature will go from 24 degrees to 35 degrees.
Hi Proton,
I'm here.
Kelantan.
Do you want to go to Kelantan? You could also say, for example, first or second one.
First one.
Kelantan. Starting navigation.
Hey Proton,
I'm listening.
next song.
Okay.
Hi Proton,
Hey.
next song.
Okay.
Hi Proton,